Hey everyone, welcome to Game Pencil's New Year's video update. Where have you been at with the editor? I know a lot of you guys have been from the Discord and the Patreon getting the updates already, but I thought this would be cool to make a video to just show you everything in real time of how your donations and your support have put this editor engine to some good work. Alright, so let's begin. This is the start page. As you see, it looks a little bit more cleaner. We're going to go to the project browser, which is pretty cool, I think. I was tempted to add GIFs inside of it, but I'm not going to do that. Here's the scene editor with full zoom support. As you see, also within the subpanels, like the tile sheet editor, they're getting to those subpixels and everything very nicely, I hope. When we add in the tiles, I forgot to comment out the preview of the tile sheet inside the scene, but don't worry, you'll see it in the update. It's going to have the preview. That's the texture editor, the tile sheet editor, looking clean as ever, with minimalized spacing for the y-axis. I have a pretty small screen. It's an updated spray editor with zooming, zoom animation speed, which you will see better in this one, which has more frames. You see the collision rectangle and everything zoomed in. Two, there's a little checkbox to see that zoom number if you would like to see that. I added a new GUI widget for the slider for things like audio volume, so you have to type in the number manually if you don't want to. Then this is the path editor, with the new zoom thing. I had to update our camera system a little bit to make sure it works perfectly. But yeah, you're zooming into those blocks. Sorry, this art is a little bit tacky, but that's like programmer art. Now we have the object editor, with some new changes to the code editor. You see, you can add much more lines of code in it than before. I had to work on that padding, but I think I got it pretty right. And then we have, the same stuff in the project settings for the most part. Now we're going to the user settings, and we added this new theme editor here. You can even add background images to your theme, set them as default. Make sure you hit confirm changes if you make any changes, though. You can always keep setting things to default. But a good friend, Vadim, is going to help me a lot, and also Gus has donated this background, Phantom 107, so good, thanks for that. So yeah, if you ever become a Patreon backer, please consider it. There's so much more stuff in store for 2.0. I haven't even talked about the C++ runtime, but I expect another video very soon. And once again, thanks for helping and supporting the project. Okay, bye.